Unlock the power of the superscript 2, that little square symbol you see everywhere from math equations to product names, and learn how to type it effortlessly on any device. On Windows, the classic method is a handy Alt code. Make sure your num lock is on. Hold down the Alt key. Then on your numeric keypad, the numbers above the letters type 178, release the Alt key, and voila, your square symbol appears. Alternatively, Windows offers a visual approach. Search for character map in your start menu, open it, and keep scrolling until you find the square symbol. Click on it, then click select, then copy, and finally paste it into your document. It's like a treasure hunt for characters. For our Mac users, this is even simpler. Just press and hold the Option key, and then tap the 2 key. That's it. The square symbol, or superscript 2, will instantly appear on your screen. On your iPhone or iPad, tapping the square symbol is a breeze. First, tap the 123 button to access the numbers, then tap the #= button to reveal more symbols. You'll find the square symbol right there. If not, look for a section with more advanced symbols, and it should be readily available to tap and insert. Android users, fear not. Similar to iOS, you'll typically find the square symbol by switching to the number and symbol keyboard. Tap the key that gives you access to numbers often labeled 123, and then look for another key to reveal additional symbols, sometimes an equals or similar. The square symbol should be among them, ready to be tapped into your text. So there you have it. Whether you're writing an academic paper, a technical report, or just want to spice up your messages, you now have multiple ways to easily type the square symbol. Experiment with these methods and add this useful character to your digital toolkit.